Come take a look at this 2005 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma has just under 90,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning, ABS brakes and overhead console. Call 888-689-9292 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.